would always be some lag between the intended policy and its traction on the ground. After all, our constitution also says so many things, but do you think that we have been able to implement them all? There would always be some lag, and that lag would be because of several reasons. One being the capacity of the state to deliver, because ultimately most of these schemes and policies are to be delivered through some intermediaries. In case of MSMEs, the biggest or the most potent intermediary has been the banks. Now the situation is this, that 75% of the banking sector in India is in the hands of the government. And it is one of the very few countries in the world that still control the almost entire banking sector. And the banking sector, therefore, has not been very efficient, have not been following the market principles, but following the principles or the interests of the government of the particular day. And that is why you see that after almost 50 plus years of directed lending policy in the form of priority sector lending for micro, small and medium enterprises, barely 7 to 8% of MSMEs have been able to access institutional funds. So the problem is that, most of the organs of the government need, or they are crying for reforms. The financial sector reforms is on the top of the agenda, banking and financial sector reforms. Unless we carry them out, it would be difficult to really implement policies and also, you can say, create institutions or create enabling environment for MSMEs to grow. There are other examples. Somebody mentioned about the labor laws, although I don't think that there are 50 plus labor laws for that would be affecting MSMEs. If you are less than 10 people, employing less than 10 people, there would only just be one law, and that is Minimum Wages Act. And that I think is fair enough. I mean, if you are expected to pay minimum wages to your workers. But yes, as you grow little big, the more and more and more weight of the regulations become and what you mentioned, like Atlas carrying the burden on the shoulders. So it is if you grow from micro to small to medium, the weight becomes too high for the medium, and that's why we have convoluted figures in the medium-sized sector, where barely 25,000 MSMEs are in the medium segment, whereas in the micro segment we have more than 6 crore. So the point I'm trying to make is that if we want this gap between policy intent and its traction on the ground to be reduced, to be narrowed, we'll have to do far-reaching reforms in the banking and financial sector and the labor laws and several other laws, particularly how we can decriminalize the lot of regulations that are related to economy.